What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best crib bedding sets of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. TILLYOU Theme Crib Bedding Set. Creating and manufacturing high-quality baby bedding has been TILLYOU's only focus since its inception in 2004. They have a long history of finding and designing baby goods that are safe and gentle on the skin. It gives your baby a warm and comfortable nursery to sleep and dream in. High thread count microfiber polyester is used to make the bedding set softer and more comfortable for you to sleep in every day. If you are in the market for a new nursery set and want to purchase something from a reputable company, then you must be shopping at TILLYOU. They provide unique, stylishly designed sets for babies that are 100% machine washable. TILLYOU's most popular item is their 4-piece chevron crib set with a luxurious comforter and 2 silky soft microfiber sheets that can also be used as blankets. This comforter and sheets can be easily washed in a sanitary washer and dryer. The sheets are made out of pure cotton and are a high-quality product that will provide you with value. Their sets come in an array of colors, so there is something for everyone's tastes. Customers love these sets because they can be used beyond the baby years as the designs are not common, unlike other less reputable brands. Breathable so that air and moisture can flow freely. This crib bedding set is made of 100% silky smooth microfiber polyester, which is gentle on the baby's skin. After a few washes, the fabric retains its suppleness and comfort. For a long period, you can trust this product. High thread count microfiber is more durable and softer than cotton. Testing demonstrated that our bedding set is extremely durable and can be machine washed thousands of times without losing its shape. No matter how you wash it, this bedding set will not lose its shape. With hundreds of washings under its belt, this lightweight fabric has no issues. It's safe to use in the dryer. Everything may be washed in your washing machine with ease. Number 2. Disney Winnie Mini Crib Sheets. For the little prince and princesses of your life, this Disney 3-piece crib bedding set is a sweet way to make their nursery look like the perfect place for a nap. This collection of Winnie the Pooh-themed white and aqua accents includes a comforter and 2 fitted mini crib sheets in matching patterns. Coordinating draping makes it easy to make your nighttime routine more peaceful with this soft, serene bedding set. For your little one to pretend to be a prince or princess, the 3-piece Disney Winnie the Pooh Hello Sunshine White and Aqua Piglet, Rainbow, Clouds, and Sun 3-piece nursery mini crib bedding set from Disney is the perfect way to make their perfect day come true. Includes a Disney Winnie the Pooh Hello Sunshine White and Aqua Piglet, Rainbow, Clouds, and Sun 3-piece nursery mini crib bedding set, comforter and 2 fitted mini crib sheets. This is one of the best crib bedding sets. Winnie Pooh's character is featured on a cloud-themed crib set I found when looking for a cheap cloud-themed cot set to use at my daughter's baby shower. What beautiful packaging this came in. Although the comforter is wrinkled, it's not a big concern. And I wanted to let you know. This set is well-fitting, and the dust ruffle is one of my favorite features. My baby's crib mattress fits perfectly. The crib I bought for my first child was this one. This 4-in-1 crib converts into a toddler bed. The print, color, and softness are all fantastic. The small crib skirt is also adorable, but it has these black bars on each side of the crib to hold up the mattress, and the crib skirt does not fit well because it is not long enough. That apart, it's a flawless piece. In contrast to many other cartoon characters, Winnie the Pooh is presented in a more subdued style with a more soothing palette. Toy Story's beloved Pooh Bear character comes to life in a baby-friendly way with this adorable Disney crib set. Incorporating a Winnie the Pooh print on both sides, this comforter is a wonderful accent to any child's bedroom decor. Number 3. The Peanutshell Buffalo Bedding Set. These best crib bedding sets include a colorful baby quilt, a fitted crib sheet, and a crib dust ruffle, all of which will give your child's nursery the warm look of your favorite plaid shirts. The reversible patchwork crib comforter features a wood motif of buffalo checks in black, red, and gray highlights with humorous arrows on one side and a red and black checkered pattern on the back to correspond with the crib skirt. Is your little Peanutshell a growing toddler? This Peanutshell buffalo plaid crib bedding set is perfect for their first year of life and beyond. We paired this set with our woodland theme in red, black, and gray to create a harmonious forest retreat. The included crib quilt is made of the softest chenille fabric. It has a plaid pattern as well as appliqued owls on all four corners that are hand-embroidered to add an element of whimsy. All-around elastic ensures a secure fit for the little one, while the soft fabric displays silhouettes of woodland animals like bears, mooses, foxes, deer, squirrels, rabbits, mountains, and trees. Because the blanket isn't excessively thick, it doesn't keep our 2-year-old from overheating. The colors are stunning, and the material is soft and comfortable. Number 4. Everyday Kids Baby Bedding Set. You can choose from 4 adorable themes for your baby's nursery to create a calming environment for your child to sleep in. Everyday Kids products also go well because of their similar theme. With a crib bedding set developed exclusively for your tiny ones, you can ensure they get the rest they need. These adorable nautical crib bedding sets make it easy to decorate your child's nursery with a variety of bright, patterned designs that are designed to help your child sleep peacefully. All 3 pieces in this adorable nursery bedding set are made of high-quality materials that are machine washable and machine dryable, making them easy to maintain. Made with soft and breathable microfiber polyester for maximum comfort, this baby bedding set is machine washable as it is made with soft and breathable microfiber polyester for convenience. Your bedding set will last longer if you wash it in cold water on a gentle cycle with other items of the same color. When you're done washing, tumble dry on low heat to keep the vibrant colors of this fade-resistant cloth. If necessary, a low-heat iron can be used to remove creases. With a 9-inch drop, the dust ruffle in this set matches the fitted sheet. The fitted sheet has been thoroughly examined to ensure that it perfectly fits a standard-sized crib mattress. Number 5. Lambs and Ivy Jungle Bedding Set. When it comes to bedding, nothing beats going all out. The Lambs and Ivy crib bedding set comes with everything you need for your baby's nursery. Comforter, duvet cover, fitted sheet, diaper stacker, and more. It also features an adorable animal pattern that will brighten up the nursery. The Lambs and Ivy Jungle Safari Gray, Tan, White Nursery 6-piece. Baby crib bedding set is a perfect way to furnish your child's nursery. These sheets are made of 100% cotton and they have a crib-size mattress pad that fits perfectly in the crib, so your baby is cozy and comfortable all day long. The sheets come with a waterproof zipper case, so you can easily take care of the bedding when it needs it. There is also a fitted sheet so you can make sure the crib is safe and comfortable. The fabric of this set is very soft and cozy, which makes your baby feel relaxed while they are sleeping. It also comes with a water-resistant cover with a safari theme that makes this bedding set fun and exciting. The design is fun for parents to look at, but the overall idea of making your baby more comfortable will be the greatest appeal to them. Polyester and polyester cotton blends make the entire set available in various colors and patterns. In contrast to the fitted sheet, the dust ruffle platform is olefin and filled with polyester fibers. You can wash it with your hand as well as the washing machine. The bedding set is also composed of high-quality materials, with each element of the bedding set sewed on and not just screen printed, resulting in the animals being soft and fluffy.